Hello students, welcome back to Statistics by Savita. Today I want to discuss with you the index number 5 marks question, and the very important thing I want to discuss you how to calculate logarithms for a geometric mean, the unweighted geometric mean and weighted geometric mean. If you need a logarithms over there, how to calculate a logarithms I will show you. Okay. Just I consider the textbook problems only. Okay. These are the exercise sums. Okay. Students, here calculate the price index number using unweighted aggregative method for the year 2010 and 11 on the basis of 2008 from the following data. Considering a 2008 as a base year, if have to calculate the aggregative method, the aggregative unweighted aggregative method for the year 2010 and 11. If have to consider this one 2008 as P0, P1 and P2. Okay, simply quantities are not there, it is unweighted. That's why you are calculating the totals of this one. Okay, the totals of this one and the totals of this one. Just I will show you. Here the totals of 2008, the items is there, items, the totals of 2008, you have to take a total, you have to 2010 and 2011. Okay, this is given in the question. You are taking a total, this we have to consider it as a P0, this one is a P1 and this one is a P2. Then what we have to do, the unweighted aggregative price index number, the first one you have to calculate it as a P01 is equals to summation of P1 divided by summation of P0 into 100. Okay, you're taking a totals of these two totals divided by that you have to the total of that P0 into 100. The one more we have to take it, that is a P02, that is a summation of P2. This is P2 divided by summation of P0 into 100, because you have to consider 2008 as a base year. That's why you have to take it as a P01 and you have to calculate it as a P02. Okay. Then you are getting an answer. You are writing an answer over here. This is a unweighted. It is. Okay. Then the one more example I will calculate and I will show you here. Here I already written this one. This is from exercise sum only, the second sum. That is a second sum, that is from the following data. Calculate unweighted arithmetic mean index number and unweighted geometric mean index number. Usually in the exam ಒಳಗೆ ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಲ್ಲೇ, ಹೌದಾ? ಎರಡು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ವೈಟೆಡ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಅನ್ವೈಟೆಡ್ ಒಂದು CPI ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದಟ್ ದ ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನ್ವೈಟೆಡ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ 5 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, 5 marksಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬಹಳ ಸತಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್, ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್. ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು ಹಿಯರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ P0, this is P1. Okay, what you are calculating a next column, that is P1 divided by P0 into 100. ಈಗ ಲೊಗಾರಿಥಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ 29 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 26 ಇಂಟು 100. 29 divided by 26 into 100. 115.538 is there. 111.54 I will take. 111.54. Then 40 divided by 42 into 100, that is 95.23. Then 24 divided by 20 into 100, that is 120. 16 divided by 16 into 100, that is 100. Then this is also a 120 only. Okay, this is a p value. You have to calculate a first p value. After that, you have to take it as a log of p. Log of p, because for a arithmetic mean this much is over, but for a geometric mean you have to calculate as a log p, logarithms of this. Okay, 111.54. how to take a logarithms means, here if have to take it as a first we will give you, first you have to write the characteristics over here. Characteristic 1, 2, 3 is there. Okay, 3 digit is there. If have to take a 3 minus 1, that is a 2 point. Then here 95, 2 digit is there. Then you have to take it as a 1 minus, then you have to take it as a 1 point. Here 1, 2, 3, then 2 point. 1, 2, 3, 2 point. 1, 2, 3, 2 point. You have to take it. Okay. Then you have to calculate a Mentasa characteristic over the Mentasa. How to calculate 11th column, the 11 in first column. 11 in first column. Just I will take a logarithms. Okay, here the logarithms is there. 11, first you have to take a 2 digit here, 2 digit, and third value you have to take a column wise, and the fourth value you take it as a mean difference over here. Mean difference, the first 2 is a this one. Okay, third is a column wise, fourth one is a mean difference. Here 11.1, that is 0.453. But the fourth value is there, that is a 5 as a mean difference. 0.453 and 19 you have to add it. 0.453 plus 19 you have to add it. Then you are getting as a, okay, 0.453 plus 19 you have to add it. That is a 0474. 04 here. Just I will show you once again. ಅದು ಇದಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಸರಿ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. 0.453 plus 19 you have to add it. Here the 2 it is 5, 6, 7, that is 0472. 0472 is a value. Then 95 in second column and 3 as a mean difference. 95 you have to see it. 95, here it is there, 95. The 95 in second column ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು, 2 ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. 29786, that is 9786, but 3 as a mean difference, 3 as a mean difference, that is 2 you have to add it, 9788. 9788 you have to write it over here. Then 12 in 0 column, 12 in 0 column is 0792. Then 10 in 0 column, that is a 000 is there, then you have to write it 4 zeros. Okay, then the same 12 in 0 column, first you have to see these two, you have to take it, these two. The third is a column wise, 12 in 0 column 0792. Then that you are adding all this one. Okay, then you are getting as a 10.1846. 10.1846. Then what you are calculating? You are substituting it in the formula. Formula is a very important. That is, first is the arithmetic mean you have to calculate. That is summation of p divided by n. What is the summation of p? Summation of p, you have to add it this one. 546.77. It is I already calculated. 46.77 divided by n is how many values? 1 2 3 4 5 values. Then the answer is 109.36. 109.36. This is a arithmetic mean. Then how to calculate a geometric mean? Then P01 is equals to NT log of summation of log P divided by n. Then NT log of summation of log P is a 10.1846 divided by 5 you have to calculate. Then you are getting as a NT log of 2.0369. 2.0369. This divided by this ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you are getting a this one. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? NT log ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೋಡೋದು? NT log ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೋಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್, NT logarithms ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. 0.03 in 6th column, 9 mean difference. 0.03 in 6th column and 9 as a mean difference. Then you are getting as a point and ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. 0.03, okay, in 6th column, okay, here 1086, okay, 1086 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 0.36 ತಾತ 9 mean difference. 0.03 ಒಳಗ 9 mean difference ಹೋದ್ರ 2 you are adding. Then 1088. But here the 2 point is there. You are adding here. ಇದದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇದರದ. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿತ್ತು? 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಆಗಿನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಿದ್ವ ನಾವು. 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. 0 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ ನೀವು. ಇಲ್ಲ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಐತಿ +1 ಅಂದಾಗ 3 ಆಯ್ತಾ, 3 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. 108.8 is the answer. Okay, all of you got it? How to take a logarithms and the weighted, the unweighted arithmetic mean and unweighted geometric mean, and the one more example, that is a unweighted aggregative method. Okay, then that is a unweighted index number. Then here calculating the price index number by weighted average of price relative method using a arithmetic mean. Using a arithmetic mean and geometric mean, the weighted means you have to must and should they give a weights over here. Here the items is given, commodities, and the price of 2005 and 2010 is given and the weight is given. 2005 P0, P1 and weight is given. How to calculate P? P is equals to P1 divided by P0 into 100. You know already how to calculate P. ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವೇಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ವೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಟು ಪಿ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಟು ಪಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಟೋಟಲ್, then you have to take a total of this and take a total of, but ನೀವು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ n ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Don't, when weight is given, then you must and should you have to take it as a weight only. ಇಲ್ಲೇ weight ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. summation of WP divided by summation of W, then you are getting answer is this one. Okay, then geometric mean. How to calculate a geometric mean? One example is given in the question. Calculated a weighted geometric mean price index number from the following data: items, expenses, price of the base year and current year. It is given here. The W is given, P0 is given, P1 is given. Then you are calculating a P. Just you observe the 2 digit is there, characteristic is 1 point. Here the 3 digit is there, 2 point. 2 ಬರೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಷ್ಟ ಬರ್ದಾರ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. 2.000 ಅದು 10 ಒಳಗ 0 ಕಾಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ 00 ಇರ್ತದೆ. 85 ಐತಿ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್, ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ 2 digit is there, 1 point. 2 digit is there, 1 point. 1, 2, 3. 3 digit is there, 2 point. Then you are writing a first characteristics. 19, nothing is there means 0 column. 19, 0 column. 10 in 0 column. 85 in 7 column. 75 in 0 column. 13 in 7th column and 5 mean difference. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎದಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. 13 in 7th column, 5 as a mean difference. Then you are adding this, you are writing these values. Okay, 2.00 ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. W into log P. This W is given. That's why don't forget to multiply because it is a weighted. W into log P. Then you are taking a W into log P. Then the P01 is equals to anti-log of summation of W log P divided by summation of W. And then the anti-log of summation of W into log P is 199.494 divided by summation of W is a 100. That is anti-log of this divided by this ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದೊಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ನಾವು ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಎಂಟಿಲಾಗ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. 0.99 in 4th column, 9 as a mean difference. 0.99 in 4th column, 9 as a mean difference. You are getting as a 9883, maybe 9883. Then 1 point ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೇ 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. 1 point ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಓಕೆ, got it now all of you? I hope all of you got it, this how to calculate this one. Okay, then they may ask a 5 marks as a Kelly's also. Kelly's usually they are not mentioning as a Kelly's index number. The price of the prices they are giving as a base year and current year, but the quantities they are not mentioning as either base year or current year. If they are not mentioning, then it is a Kelly's only. Just you observe in this question, calculate price index number from the following data ಅಂತಂದಾರಷ್ಟ. ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂದಾರಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು Q. This is Q, this is P0 and this is P1. Then P1Q, P0Q, P1Q and P0Q you are calculating easily. Then you are calculating a Kelly's price index number over here. That is a Kelly's price index number formula P01. 01 ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೇ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್. P01 of Kelly's is equals to summation of P1Q divided by summation of P0Q into 100. Then substituting the values into 100, that is P01 of Kelly's is equals to 120.417. Okay. And 5 marks ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಬಟ್ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓನ್ಲಿ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗಲ್ಲೇ, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಷ್ಟ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲೇ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಯು ನೋ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಟೇಕ್. ಪಿ ಇದ್ದಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂ, ಕ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ದಲ್ ಪಿ. ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ಪಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲೇ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. 5 marks they may ask as a either last year's or purchase or a Marshall Edgeworth, any one they may ask. These are the 5 marks questions of weighted and unweighted and Kelly's. Okay, Kelly's is over and last year's purchase is over. And the one more thing, that is a value index number. Compute a value index number for the year 2010 on the basis of 2008 from the following data ಅಂದಾಗ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಈಸ್ V1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ V0 ಇಂಟು 100 ಅಂದ್ರೆ P1 Q1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ P0 Q0. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ P0 Q0, P1 Q1. Then you are multiplying all the 4 and just you are substituting it in the formula. That is a value index number. You are calculating. And then you know how to calculate. This is the TRT, FRT ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅದು 10 marks ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 5 marks ಗೆ ಬರೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ this one, that is a consumer price index number. Consumer price index number, you are having a two methods. One is a aggregative expenditure method and one is a family budget method. Aggregative expenditure method and family budget method. Then here in the textbook just you refer the examples and exercise problems only. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅವನ್ನಷ್ಟು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗದಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಅದರ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫೋರಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವು. ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೊಸದೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. This only. That's why it is a very very easy problems. These are just you are calculating the aggregative method is as the same as last year's. And this one is a weighted arithmetic mean. What you calculated, summation of WP divided by summation of W you are calculating. This example ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು example 28 ಇಂದ ಈ first sums ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. You can get easily 5 marks. 2 questions you can easily you can solve in the examination. 2 questions. Okay, ಇವಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದರಂಗ ಸೇಮ್ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಸಮ್ಸ್. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬಹಳ ಮಂದಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಎಂಟಿಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. Okay students, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like and comment the video.